We are looking at how to pronounce the name of Elon Musk's baby son's name. It is a bit of a speculation still how it will be said. Practically, Elon Musk explained a little more about it on Joe Rogan's podcast. He did confirm that the letter X is well said like an X, while the ash symbol, instead of being pronounced like an E, as it would be in Latin for example, is in fact said simply ash. Finally, Elon said that A12 stands for Archangel 12, quote, the coolest plane ever. But Elon didn't actually truly discuss how to pronounce the name in the end. How are they as parents going to say it? Xasha 12 or Xash Archangel? Some have said it could be pronounced Xasha, maybe Sasha. Some have speculated it could be Kyle, a code for Kyle in fact. What do you think? How is it going to be pronounced? What is it going to be in the end? Let us know in the comments. Cheers!